Hey Python enthusiasts! Welcome back to the 100 Days of Python series. Today is day 35, and we're diving into the Django framework. We'll cover an overview of Django and its components, creating a Django project and app, and understanding the MTV, Model Template View, architecture. Let's get started. Django is a high-level Python web framework that encourages rapid development and clean, pragmatic design. It's built by experienced developers to help you save time and effort in building web applications. Let's break down its main components. 1. Models represent the database schema and data structure. 2. Templates control how data is presented to the user. 3. Views contain the logic that handles user requests and returns responses. Django comes with several built-in features like an ORM for database interactions, a templating engine, and an admin panel for managing site content. Let's create our first Django project and app. First, ensure you have Django installed. You can install it using pip. Next, create a new Django project by running Django admin start project my site. This command creates a new directory called my site with the following structure. Navigate into the project directory and create a new app. This command creates a new directory called blog with the following structure. Now, let's add our new app to the project settings. Open my site settings.py and add a blog to the installed_apps list. Django follows the MTV, Model Template View, architecture, which separates the data access logic, business logic, and presentation logic. Let's understand each component with a simple example. First, let's define a model in blog or models.py. This model defines a post with title, content, and date_posted fields. To create the database table for this model, run Python manage.py make migrations, Python manage.py migrate. Next, let's create a view in blog or views.py that retrieves all posts and renders them using a template. Now, create the template blog to templates blogger home.html. Finally, map the view to a URL. Update my site to urls.py. Start the development server by running python manage.py run server. Open your browser and navigate to http://127.0.0.1:8000 to see the blog posts rendered on the home page. And that's a wrap for day 35 of our 100 Days of Python series. Today, we explored Django, created our first Django project and app, and understood the MTV architecture. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell for more awesome Python content. See you tomorrow for day 36. Keep coding and happy learning.